Good morning, guys. It is Friday, what, like 9:30? Something like that?
9:40.
9:40. We're getting a bit of a late start. We're here at our first job. We're doing a garden bed and mulching it, and then we're going to be mowing the property. Or it's almost 10. I might mow first. That way the clippings end up underneath the fabric. And I don't have to worry about cleaning out the mulch bed freshly. So we'll see how we do with that. So, anyways. That's what we're doing today. So I've never filmed the mow on this property, so I'm gonna film that and then the mulch shop. So see y'all later.
So guess what? Yeah.
It is Saturday afternoon, about 3 o'clock.
Yeah, we could have been done at this time. We would have been.
Oh yeah, we would have been done. But the big truck is down. Again. Same problem in a month. So, we're waiting on a wrecker to come tow it. Again. I've already got a U-Haul trailer reserved. We only had 2 accounts left. 2 accounts. One of them is only a couple blocks away.
Yeah. And one is just super easy. Just, well, yeah.
Yeah, no, we would have been done. But I couldn't. There'd be no point. Hey, there's a key back there. There's no. Sorry. There would have been no point in like just driving the mower 2 or 3 blocks over there to try and mow and stuff, and then still have to wait for the wrecker to come get us and then the trailer and stuff like that. So we're just gonna get the truck over to the shop so they can fix it. They better fix it. Get the U-Haul, get all the equipment, finish up these 2 accounts, run tomorrow out of the U-Haul, and then I'm probably gonna put this truck on a open air storage lot for $20 a month, and we're gonna try and find us a 14-foot dump trailer to operate out of.
Yeah,
because until I can swap out this engine for a Cummins 12 valve like I've been wanting to do forever, we're gonna keep having electrical problems, and I'm tired of electrical problems.
Well, yeah, because we can't. It's not reliable at all, and with our schedules getting packed, it's just.
Yeah, we can't afford to. I love.
Next weekend we're going to Corday, and if it broke down over there, it would not be cheap to tow.
I love the utility of the truck.
Oh yeah,
for what I built it for. It does everything I built it for plus some. But until I can swap out the engine for a diesel engine and not have to worry about all these electronics to keep it from running, then I can't rely on it right now. And it sucks because it's done everything we need to do plus better than what we expected.
Oh yeah.
Considering I bought the truck for $500 and up until now only have about $3,000 worth of mechanical work into it.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's done.
And everybody loves it when they see it. They're like, "That's awesome" and everything. It's just like.
There's the oh god. Okay.
We're gonna have.
I'm not sure if that's gonna be big enough. So he's gonna pass by. I hope that's big enough. It's the same truck, just a year newer. So I'll talk to y'all in a little while. Alright, so I made it here to the shop. I don't see the wrecker with my truck. I don't know, he kind of sketchily set it up. He put the forks on the axle, but he didn't strap it. So, and I had to have him use my tools in order to get the drive shaft off so it could be pulled.
This was not the same wrecker company. We thought it was, and it wasn't. Is he coming?
Yeah, I see his lights flashing. I was kind of secretly hoping that my truck falls off in the freeway and gets totaled, and I could, get a new truck.
Yeah, I wasn't hoping that, because that would have been fun. But
it would have been a hassle, but I mean.
Our mentor probably helped us, but that would have not been nice.
I don't know. And it sucks because we haven't had a chance to get lunch. We were saying, okay, yeah, we'll just knock out these last 2 real fast and be done early by 3 and get something nice and relax. Yeah, relax the rest of the day. No. So he's over there at the light.
Just your bad luck or mine. Both of us.
We both got bad luck. I don't even know. So let me direct this guy in here, and I'll talk to y'all when we get all loaded up with the trailer and stuff. Good morning, guys. So it is Sunday morning. We're at our commercial, getting going for the day. Oh, and we're out of a U-Haul again, but we got everything caught up yesterday, and we're not behind, so that's good. I'm happy about that. So we're gonna get going today. Probably not gonna film a whole lot. We'll see. I might film on the next one. Because, you know, we're pretty much seeing everything that we do on these upcoming ones. So we'll see where I film, and I'll check in with y'all later on.